So I've got this big heavy duty Yale. This one's a bit of a beast. It weighs over 1 kilo. Got a dead shackle. That's a bit in on the key for it. I'm going to try to pick this one in my hand, but it does weigh a ton, so I'm going to actually rest on the bench just to give me wrist a bit of a breather. I'm going to use a tension tool and a pick, which is out of that multi-pick Elite 39 set. That's the tension tool I'm going to use. So I'm just going to open the sliding keyway up, push the tension tool up, just tension it like that. And let me just zoom in just to show you this keyway, because some nasty warding in there. Let's zoom back out again. And the pick I'm going to use is this hook, and it's a 0.6mm pick. So I'll start off trying to have a go resting on the bench, and then I'll pick it up a bit and see if I can get a bit closer to the camera. But like I say, it's one heavy lock this. Went into a full set then. I've lost my full set. Back into it again. I thought I'd got it then, back into a full set, quite a deep one as well. Getting some counter there, and we get it. Why doesn't that open? Have I turned it too far? Let me just get back into the front. There you go. Yeah, I've obviously turned that too far, which prevented it from opening. But yeah, we have got it. So it's all locked back up again. Now it's working fine. That's a nice big heavy duty Yale picked. That's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.